Let's be honest, most of us don't notice how bad our posture's gotten until someone shows us a random photo, or we catch our reflection hunched over our phones. Suddenly it's like, wait, do I always look like that? Forward head, rounded shoulders, and that awkward lower back arch. Yep, it's all too common. The good news, you don't have to stay stuck like this. I'm going to walk you through a simple, effective 10-minute routine that you can do daily to unlock your body, fix your posture, and start feeling way more confident without needing any fancy equipment or even a gym. So, how did we get here in the first place? A big part of the problem is our modern lifestyle. Research shows we spend around 6 to 8 hours a day sitting, whether it's working at a desk, scrolling on our phones, or watching TV. And most of the time, that sitting isn't exactly in an ideal position. Now, slouching here and there isn't necessarily the villain. It's being in that hunched position all day, every day that starts messing with your body. Over time, your body adapts. Certain muscles tighten up, others get weaker. And eventually, that bad posture becomes your default. We're going to fix this using 5 proven movements, starting with the upper body. First, we need to open up the tight chest and shoulder muscles. Grab a resistance band, towel, or broomstick. With straight arms, bring your hands from the front of your thighs all the way over and behind you in a controlled arc. Keep your core tight and avoid letting your back arch. This keeps the stretch in your chest and shoulders where we want it. If you're using a band, pull it apart slightly to adjust the resistance where you feel the most tension. Next, let's work on unlocking the mid and upper back. Start on all fours with a pillow or foam roller between your knees. Reach one arm underneath your body to feel a stretch through your back. Then bring that same hand behind your head and rotate your elbow toward the ceiling. You should feel your back muscles working here. Go slow, follow your elbow with your eyes, and return to that stretch position. Repeat on both sides, and don't stress if one feels tighter. That's totally normal and will balance out over time. Now, opening up is only half the battle. We need to strengthen the weak muscles too. Here's a great move for that. Lie on your stomach with your forehead down, elbows bent, and hands behind your head. Pull your elbows back, then extend your arms into a Y shape. Slowly circle your arms behind you, rotating them so your palms face up as you reach back, then reverse the motion. If that's too hard, modify it by holding a T shape with arms raised and squeezing your shoulder blades together. Both versions will help strengthen the muscles that keep you upright. Moving to the lower body, we'll first loosen up the hip flexors. These get super tight from too much sitting. Start in a half-kneeling position with one leg up and the other knee near a wall or bench. Elevate your back foot and tuck your hips under like you're trying not to spill a bowl of water balanced on your pelvis. You should feel a stretch in the front of your hip and thigh. Adjust the distance from the wall to control the intensity. Finally, let's activate those glutes. Lie on your back with knees bent, feet flat. Press your elbows into the ground, brace your core, then squeeze your glutes and lift your hips. Hold at the top for 5 seconds. If you're feeling it more in your legs than your glutes, try adjusting your foot position. You can make this harder over time by switching to single leg bridges. So, there you have it. A full body posture reset you can do in just 10 minutes a day. But remember, doing this routine once and going right back to sitting all day won't cut it. The real magic comes from consistency and moving more throughout your day. Take walk breaks, stretch often, and try adding strength training to your routine. Stick with this, and your future self will thank you.